Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed colleagues, welcome to the 4th Annual International Conference of the Emirate Society of Clinical Microbiology at RAC Medical and Health Sciences University, Ras Al-Khaimah, UAE, from November 15th to 17th, 2024. This conference brings together experts to share the latest findings in microbiology and infectious diseases. Our program features keynote lectures, oral and poster sessions, and interactive workshops, encouraging collaboration and knowledge exchange. We are honored to have renowned national and international speakers who will share their expertise on key topics such as antimicrobial resistance, rapid diagnostics, and the human microbiome's impact on patient care. I urge you to actively participate and connect with your peers. Thank you for your dedication to advancing the discipline of clinical microbiology. I look forward to seeing you at the conference.